with the D Factor Radio Show. Guys, you have been here with us for the last almost 2 hours now, and we have been talking about building your credit from a small business and personal perspective. We've been with the amazing, and I keep saying the amazing because that's the only word that I can find to describe, Mr. Dwayne Moore of Rain Credit Solutions. I have had such an amazing time with you, Dwayne. Can I just one more time, I would like for the world to know where they can get in contact with you, because you not only empower people about credit, but you have this motivating, inspiring spirit that really is like that. With the example that you gave me to put my finger in at the currency of your energy is just overwhelming, honestly.
Now, if someone actually stuck their finger in that socket, I have a disclaimer here.
Okay.
I take no responsibility.
I hope so. Like, please don't stick your finger in the socket.
Well, thank you.
But listen, take the energy that you all are feeling today from this radio show. That Dwayne is definitely, it's contagious, to be honest with you. And we really appreciate you being on the show and sharing the love and the knowledge about building our credit. We definitely would love for you to come back. I said that last week. You came back. Yeah. The people asked for it. Sure. We definitely would love to hear from you more often, because this is a topic that is super important for the world, not just from a personal perspective, but from a business perspective as well. So where can we find you? And I will be tweeting this information on behalf of Dwayne. You can also hear this show again live if you missed any piece of it on youtube.com/YourDWilliams, YOURD Dwayne, where can we find you?
You can find my website, www.raincreditsolutions.com. You can go to gethomeloanready.com. You can find us at, you can hashtag us at Credit Fix. You can find me all over the web, Dwayne T. Moore. We're on LinkedIn, Facebook. Go to our Facebook page and like us.
Awesome.
There's a ton of information out there on our website. It's not just a big sales pitch. We have a lot of really meaningful information out there. Go out there and take the credit quiz. We have a credit score quiz out there. People say they know what they're doing. They know what they're talking about. Go out there and take the quiz.
I'm taking the quiz.
It'll give you your score. It'll give you a score and tell you exactly how much you actually know and
awesome.
what you need to know. So it was a pleasure being here, Dee. I really appreciate it. And I look forward to coming again. And maybe we'll break down some more of the steps of using your wealth, using credit actually to accumulate wealth. Using other people's money. We called it OPM. I mean, you're not in a position of power until you know how to use someone else's money. It's one thing to get in consumer debt. It's another thing to use somebody else's debt to make yourself wealthy.
Hello, Dwayne T. Moore, Rain Credit Solutions, here on the D Factor Radio Show. Thank you again, Dwayne.